What's up guys, it's your boy Alpha Blue and you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the latest MetaTrader 5 app on your Android device. So this is like the latest update on the MetaTrader 5 app that has just been released in this month. So today is 11th day of July, and then this app was released within this month. If we go to uh, the Play Store right here, I will show you. We search for MetaTrader 5, you will see that this app was last updated. It was last updated on the 2nd of July. It was last updated on the 2nd of July. So this is the latest MetaTrader 5 app, and there are some new changes, some awesome changes that have been made to the app, and I'm really excited to share that with you guys. So I find this latest updated app like way cooler than the previous ones. This one has like advanced features that has made trading easier, and you can easily navigate the app than before. So the first thing I'm going to show you, or the first thing that you're going to notice, is that this particular app, the updated version, looks way better. It looks way cleaner than the previous one. So the interface looks way cleaner. Then I noticed that the chart area looks smaller than it used to look like before, and that's because if you look by the right side of the screen, you'll notice that the prices are looking way bigger than it used to be before. And that is because you can actually increase or decrease the size of the chart by scrolling up or down on the right side. So all you do is to press on the prices, then scroll up or down, and as you can see, the chart is going to reduce or increase in size. So that is something, a very cool feature that I just noticed with the updated version. So you can increase the size or reduce the size of the chart by just scrolling on the prices. Click on the prices, then scroll, roll up or down. So this is actually very cool, just like how you get to see it on your trading view. So that's one update. Then the next thing is that if you look at the bottom of your screen, everything there is very the same, just like the last version. You have the quotes, the chart, the trade history, then messages. That one, there's no any change on it. But then if you look at the top of your screen, that's where we have new changes. Then let me just show you MT4, because MT4 is like pretty much very the same with the last version of MT5. So that I'm going to show you the difference so that you get to understand the difference right now. So if you look at MT4 right here, you see that MT4, at the top of the screen, you have this plus side at the topmost right. You have this plus down, and that's usually where you're going to add or place your trade. Then you have this sign for your time frames, this clock sign for your time frames. Then you have this for your quotes. Then you have this for your indicators, this F for your indicators, then this for the crosshair. But then when you go back to the MT5 right now, you're going to see that it's different. It's not like it used to be before. So on the MT5, starting from the topmost right, this sign that is red and blue in color is actually what you can use to place a trade. And this time around, unlike before where it will take you to a different place, this time around you can actually place a trade directly on the chart while you're still on the chart. So all you do is to click on it, then it will bring out the buy and the sell button, and you can also adjust your lot size by either increasing right here or decreasing right here. So you can increase your lot size like this, or you can just delete it and type the particular lot you want outrightly. So this is a very nice change that has been made. So with this, you don't need to leave the chart completely before you place your trade. You can just simply place your trade while you're still on the chart. So if I click on buy now, you see that another buy position has just been opened. So this is a very cool feature that I've just noticed with this latest update. Then you can come back here and close it just like normal. So another thing I noticed with this particular one is that you can also place your limit orders still on the chart. all you do is to click on this next icon, this one that looks like a clock, the one that is next to this first one I clicked. So when you click on it, it will bring out a set of different options for you on your screen. So you see sell limit, you see SL, you see TP. So you can click on it to change what you want. So if you click on this buy stop, it will change it to whatever limit order you want to set. You continue clicking on it until you get the particular one you want. So let's assume I want to place a buy stop. And another cool feature with this is that you can adjust your limit orders or your pending orders by holding and dragging it. Right now you can see that I can drag this buy stop that I just clicked. So you can move it to where you want to set it. Then you click on this arrow. When you click on the arrow, it brings you to this interface. Then you can set your stop loss and your take profit and place the trade. So this time around, you can actually place your limit order while you are still on the chart interface, and that's very cool because you're going to be looking at the price, you're going to be looking at your trade as it's going, and then you can just place your trade. So that's what this next icon is for. It's for setting of limit orders. If you want to set SL, you can click on SL, and then you adjust, you can click on it, and then you can now set your SL. But I guess right now this is just basically for setting limit orders. Click on the limit order to change the limit order, the type of limit order you want to place. Then you can click on the arrow to complete the order, to set your stop loss and your take profit. If you don't want to do that, you can click on this X to cancel, right? So that's that. Then this one is for time frames. You can now choose your time frame by clicking on this, then selecting whichever time frame you want to view. You can choose M5, it will bring you to M5. Wow, this trade is actually moving in profit. Let's see, $3. All right, then another cool feature I noticed with the latest app, with the updated app, is that you can now view the chart in multiple different time frames. Unlike before, that is just few. Right here you see that we have a lot of different time frames. You can view the chart on the 2-minute time frame, 3-minute time frame, 4-minute time frame, 5, all the way to 8 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours, just like how you have on trading view. This time around, MetaTrader 5 has given us like more options, so you have more options to choose from. So you can select the one that you want to appear on your chart and then save the changes. So once you do that, when you now come and click it here, you have them appear up here. Then you can easily maneuver to the particular time frame you want. So that's actually a very cool feature. Unlike before, when we didn't have different time frames to like view the charts on, now you get to view the chart on many different time frames as you want. So if you want to get this buy and sell button off your screen, all you need to do is to press click the first icon on the top right that you use to place the trade. So you click it, it will disappear. You click it again, it will appear, so that just in case you don't accidentally click on buy or sell when you don't want to actually buy, you get. So you can just do that by clicking it and it will disappear. So the next thing is this fourth icon, starting from the top right of your screen. The next one, this fourth one, is actually for indicators. Then you can add any indicators you want. This one, the last one, is the crosshair, so you can use this one to check price and all of that. So that is actually the major changes that have been made. Then another very cool feature is that you can actually adjust your SL and TP by just holding and dragging on it. Isn't that fantastic? Unlike before, when you need to go to the trade, drag it, then modify. This time around, you can just drag on your TP to modify it. You get. When you drag it, then you click on this arrow. When you click on this arrow to bring you here, then you click modify. That's all. SL, let me modify my SL since I'm in profit. All I'll do is click on it, then move it. Once I move it to where I want it to be, I click on this arrow and then I click on modify. Done. As simple as that. As simple as that, right? So that's just it. Click on it, drag it, click on the arrow, modify. So this is actually a very cool feature, very cool, and I really love this new updated app. I prefer it to the previous one. So that's pretty much it. As we continue to navigate the app, I'll still share more updates as we find them. But for now, these are the few updates that I have observed on the app. Every other thing seems to be the same, but the placing of order, limit order, and then how you can adjust your SL and TP on your screen is actually the major differences, and it's actually very cool. So um every other thing is the same, but the interface has been changed a lot, a little. It looks way cleaner, it looks better, looks nicer. Charts the same, trade, you can do every other thing you used to do before. You drag, modify, close, view your chart and all of that. So this is actually a very cool update, and thumbs up to MT5, to the developers of MT5. They really did a nice job on this one. So guys, this is pretty much it. When I discover new updates or new cool stuff, features with this app, I'll also share it with you guys. But for now, this is it. Please, if you found value in this video, don't forget to like it and hit the subscribe button, guys, for more content like this. Cheers and God bless you.